Hello guys, back in another video. Sorry about the audio. I don't have my microphone on right now, but as you can tell, I have an angle grinder. So let's see if I can do this one-handed, like I should not be doing. So looks like we have our two grinding wheels. There's the diameter. Yeah, so set those two right there. And we have our nice spark shield of sorts. Set that also over there. Okay. And then what in the name of all that's holy? What are these cutting blades? These are cut-off blades? Cut-off wheels. That's the thickest cut-off wheel I have ever seen. Then here's that. This is a sanding wheel. Interesting. Very interesting. So these are the weirdest, thickest cut-off blades I have ever seen. So set that stuff right over there. There's that handle for the blade. Now, I ordered myself some more cut-off blades, a pack of 50. I might want to go check to make sure that those are, working. Also, this is the tool to take these on and off. There, see? There we go. That fits right there. Fits right there. But wait, no. I'm getting that completely messed up. Just a sec. I'm missing the nut. Yeah. Here's a manual with whatever the frick those are. Then we got... There we go. Aha! Okay. Yeah. So I got mistaken earlier. This is what that's for. That slides right on in there, and then you can turn it like that. Works pretty good. This is actually not way smaller. I wouldn't say it's way smaller. I'll lose that. Just set that over there. Okay. So this is significantly different. Oh my lord, that is... I really have to push that all that time to try to get that to go. Wow. Well, just wanted to show you guys this real quickly, and I have to go back to working on that axe right over there. So, yep.